Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. It is very simple. Go to the insert tab, click table and select the number of rows and columns you need. So here I tell you step by step, go to the insert and then go to the table, select the rows and columns you want. Here you can select as much as rows and columns you can. It's up to your will. So now you can add more rows or more column. You can delete a row or column. Once the table is inserted, you can enter the data into the cells, resize the table and format it as needed. So this is the way you can add table in your MS Word. I hope you will understand. And if you need any other help, if you have any questions, you can ask. I'll answer. Thank you for watching.